Hello, this is Lisa from Mommy Kid Power, and here I am showing you some blended, what we kind of call, it's like a sorbet ice cream. That's what it's going to technically be. What we've done here, my daughter is the one who made this, and she took some clementines that we had here, and you can actually, if you see that you have maybe, you can take fresh ones. But if you also have some clementines or some oranges that are maybe going a little bit, you know, kind of, they're ready to, they need to be eaten quite shortly or they will go bad. You can use this in the recipe so that you can make something with that, not to waste them. So again, you can take something that's totally fresh, you know, buy them and do this right away with them, or you can use them if they've gone a little bit longer than they should have in your fridge. So what we've done here is we have peeled about 20 to 24 clementines. Now, these were small clementines. I'm not certain what sizes the clementines usually come, but these were very small ones. And now if you use oranges or larger ones, clementines, use a smaller amount of them. This recipe here, technically the way she made it, it makes about 10 cups of sorbet ice cream afterwards, because we have right here, as you can see, it's got a measurement on it, about 8 cups. And we've got a little bit more up here to go as well in another container. So we blend it. What we've done is you peel all your oranges or your clementines, and you are going to put them into your blender. You're going to blend them all, okay? And then you're going to pour them into a separate bowl, okay? Keep them separate once they've, you know, put them in your separate bowl, once you have blended them. So then afterwards, you're going to put your ice cubes. You need ice cubes. So make sure that you've put a lot of ice cubes in your freezer. You know, stack them in a container for ice cubes, I guess, so that you have enough to put in your recipe. So it's going to, now you're going to put as many ice cubes as you would like, I guess. So that's all going to depend on how much you want in there. Only a little bit at a time though, well, depending on your blender, okay? So if you can blend a lot of them at the same time, by all means, you can do that. So technically, the liquid and the ice cubes, you want half and half. So that kind of gives you an idea of how many ice cubes you want. And what we've done also is, so what you're going to do, like we said, we're going to put, after that, once you have blended your ice cubes, you're going to take the ice cubes and the liquid that we have here, like the clementine and orange liquid, and you're going to put like every time you're going to put some in a blender and you're going to blend it together. So that way they're half and half, and you blend it together. So at the end of it, you have what you see here. You have a mixture of your ice cubes and your clementines or oranges. And also when we were blending, what my daughter put in is she put some honey. Okay, so she put some honey in the mixture. So as we were blending it, she put the honey. Now that's going to depend on what you as a person, what you want, what your taste is. If you like something different than that, other types of I guess syrups, or maybe other kinds of fruits. Maybe you're going to put something else in there as well. Maybe even some jam or something like that. It all depends on, you know, your sweet tooth. How sweet do you want it? So that can be, you know, the world is huge. So technically, you can put as many different things as you would like. So I guess that really shows you that you can make something that's going to be tasty afterwards. What you're going to do is you're going to put this in a covered container, and you're going to put that in your freezer so that you can eat it. Now, I'm not certain how long, I mean, you can keep it in the freezer for, you know, I'm not sure exactly how many hours you should have this, because this is actually the first time that we are, making this. So I'm not sure how many hours we would need to put it in there. But I would say myself, I think we're going to leave it in there for at least about, good 6 hours maybe. Depending on how, it might be less than that. Maybe we'll try it in a couple of hours. Maybe a couple of hours. Okay? My daughter's looking at me. She's going, I'm not waiting 6 hours to eat this. We're going to go about 2 hours. So after supper in the evening, we'll have a taste of this. So this container here has a cover already on it. We, it comes right with it. We can seal that right up. And then we're going to take another container for the other one and put it right in the freezer. And voila, you have a sorbet, I guess, ice cream that you can make. Please, by all means, let me know how it came out when you do try it. Give me some comments and if you liked it or not. And, subscribe so we can see that. I'm going to show you what I've written down here, because just in case that you'd like to take it down and note it. Let's see if I can put this like that so that you can see. Let's see now. So that there gives you an idea of what we've done. Okay, so I'm going to cook. There we go. I see that my shadow. I'm showing a shadow here and here. Sorry about that. So I'm not exactly sure. My shadow's not doing it well. Maybe if I go out a little bit, there you can see it a little bit better. So that way there, if you want to take that down, and that way there, you can, I'm going to go down here like that for a minute so that you can see what's on there. And then I'll go kind of farther out so that maybe it can give you an idea of all together. Okay, so again, it makes your sorbet ice cream, and I'm hoping that you enjoy that. Here we have a decorative recipe card that my daughter was doing. So from all of us over here, the little tiny guys on my paper, and my daughter and myself, I hope you have a wonderful time eating the sorbet ice cream, and let us know how it turned out. Thank you. Bye-bye.